Faber Piano Adventures, Level 3A, pages 10 and 11. The song is called Promenade on page 11. And on page 10 we're going over the musical form. So there's basically two types that we're going over, the binary and the ternary. The binary just has two parts, an A and a B part in the song, or two sections. The ternary has three, which we will play the A section, then the B section, and then return to the A section. So when we go over there and look at the song on page 11, they want you to be able to see what type this is. Now if you look at it, you're basically playing the A section and repeating it, and then playing the B section and repeating that. So this would be a binary form. But if we return back and play the A again, then that would be a ternary form. So if that's confusing, don't worry about it. You can read more about it later. But let's get started on the promenade. So label the A section as the first two bars and the B section as the second two bars. And let's get started with this piece. This piece is in the key of G, so we're going to be sharpening all Fs. So watch out for that. First note in the right hand is G. Okay? So we're going to, here's middle C, we're going to go up to G. We're going to put our one finger on it like it says. 2 on A, 3 on B, 4 on C, 5 on D. And the left hand we're going to be starting with our one finger on G. So our left hand's actually in a C position, bass C. So here's middle C. Slide down here and be in the bass C position. C, D, E, F, G. And don't forget the F's are sharped. So rest your finger on the sharp. I'm going to play the piece and then we'll talk about the details in the end. Here is Promenade. Now I'm not going to play that other one two times, but I played the first two bars twice because there's a repeat sign there. I wanted you to make sure that you remember to repeat that and play it twice before you move on to the second two bars, which you also have to play twice because there's a forward repeat bar at the third bar. So the third and fourth bar you need to play twice, and the first and second bar you have to play twice. Now remember again, we got to sharp our F's all over here. All right. You notice I was playing staccato and then legato. So that whole last section had a slur over it, that big long line. That means to play legato, or smoothly and connected. Now in the second two bars, starting on measure 5, I had to move my hand up from this position, this G, to putting my fifth finger on this high G in the treble. And I should be resting my fourth finger on F sharp. Let's watch this. Staccato, staccato, legato. But the staccato continues in the left hand. So you'll notice the left hand I was playing here staccato and I kept it going. And then this is actually supposed to be legato. So watch again. You'll notice there I had to cross over to the F sharp and then keep my thumb on G at the end to finish that. This last little bar is the same as the second bar, so remember, you're just repeating that part. Okay, other than that, I think you'll be fine on Promenade, and hopefully you understand the musical form. If not, read it again. And this concludes the piece.